Yeah, obviously Gordon, I think he's obviously the first thing is the experience. He's done it all locally, wonderful trophies, league championships with 4 different clubs. But the big strength for me, and having been very fortunate to have played and worked under Gordon and very close with him as being captain as well, is he's got that player man management skill, which is extraordinary, and I think he can match anybody as far as that is concerned. But also he's got that belief of the players to get a desired result, and he builds you up for that week leading up to the game to get that desired result. I think you can see what Morocco Swallows did the last season, and that exactly. I mean, I could see it coming on from having worked with him. He has that knack and that ability to really make sure that he gets the desired result. He will aim certain games to say, listen, I need to pick up 2 points, I need to pick up 3 points, I need to pick up 5 points within 2 games or 3 games. And that is the type of thing that he's very good at. And also the other thing which is brilliant at is the player management. He now knows how to get the best. I mean, he's done, look at the Morocco Swallows team. Nomveti, everybody wrote him off. Being the top goal scorer, David Matebula, possibly one of the top 3 players of the season, this season past, and he's got that ability. He's done it with a team that I've been involved as well, with Santos, and he's done it brilliantly. So those are the 2, but I think the big plus in his favour is obviously the experience as well, and especially locally, he knows the local players exceptionally well. And I say, if I know that, not just the ability of the player, but even the background of the player. There's certain players that you can shout at, there's certain players that you don't. So, and he knows that, and that is all part of his makeup. And I think, especially at national team level, that is what will stand in him in excellent stead. In saying that, I think the big strength for Steve is he's been a player, he's been an assistant coach, he's been a coach, and he's been in the local football industry for a long time. And I think that's a big plus. And at the same time, possibly on par with Gordon is his man management. His ability to get the best out of players and to get the best out of a team as a team effort. So that for me is the biggest plus and the biggest advantage as far as Steve is concerned. I think a little bit on the downside is the experience type of thing, but that'll come. I think he's shown it in the last couple of years. Especially last season with Free State Stars, unfancied team, doing exceptionally well. So that for me, that experience will come. But I think the big plus is his player management and his man management, and obviously to get the desired results out as well, which is a big plus for him. And especially going into the last game that was just played in against Botswana and so on, he knew, one of his first statements, he knew what the nation demands as a coach of the national team. So he knows what is required, and that is also a big plus for him. Knows what is required, knows the responsibilities as far as being coach of the national team. So he knows what it's about, and I think that's also a very big plus and a very big feather in his cap. It would be a tough to select between the 2. I think, like we mentioned earlier, the 2 names have come up as the 2 final candidates. I think, obviously in saying that, I think it would be long overdue for Gordon to have the job as a national team coach. He's shown the pedigree, he's shown the achievements. So I think he's put up his hand as far as anybody else has. In saying that, I would want us to also look at Steve as well, even if it's not now, but as a future. Because I think it's very important that we can look at world football, what happens to, and I'm not saying that world football is the necessary trend, but it happens where your former players have taken over club teams, then taken over your national teams. We look at France, Laurent Blanc. We can look at all the teams currently. So ideally that would be, and if you're going to push me for an answer to say who would, I think there would be a little bit of an extra tick in Gordon's box.